name is Danielle Zackrell. I'm a faculty member and a researcher at Cal State Fullerton, and we're here this next couple of days. We're going to initiate an oyster restoration project on this mudflat in Jack Dunster Marine Reserve in Alamitos Bay. Let's see, so we're going to be restoring not only a native species but also a habitat type that is currently completely extinct in Southern California, oyster beds. Oyster beds were a really important component of estuaries in the early 1900s, actually for millions of years, until about the early 1900s, when some combination of overharvest, development of estuaries, infilling and dredging, and pulp mill pollution led to precipitous declines of this species across its range. There are remnant populations of native Olympia oysters in Alamitos Bay, but they don't form beds, they just eke out an existence on hard substrate around the bay.
I'm working on our old restoration in Newport Bay. I'm looking at the various invertebrates that are associated with our augmented bed and looking at the different species and the different techniques for restoring an oyster bed. So we have oyster, no oyster at different depths and whether or not they're consolidated.
So this is the end product of about 3 hours of hard work this morning. We came out during the low tide when the mudflat was exposed, and with the help of about 30 volunteers, we placed 3,700 pounds of dead oyster shell onto the mudflat. This is going to build the base of an oyster bed, what we hope is going to be a flourishing, wonderful habitat.